of Math 6, Quarter 1. I am Teacher Heidi at your service. Can you still remember the song we had last time on performing long division? May I ask you to sing it with the tune I'm going to play? In 3, 2, 1. Wow! Thank you, dear. You have a very nice voice and a good memory because you were able to memorize the song. Good job! Teach this song to your younger siblings to serve as their guide in long division. Did you know that the song we had has another tune? Do you want to listen to it? Okay, here it is. These are the characters in performing long division. Dad, mom, sister, brother, and Grover. That means we divide. Mom means we multiply. Sister means we subtract. Brother means break down. Let us not forget Rover to come up with correct answer. Rover means repeat, or we call remainder. So, there. You've got two choices of tunes. It does not matter if you choose the first tune or the second tune. What matters most is you understand or you can memorize the concept of long division for you not to forget the steps of long division. Today, we will talk about how to divide decimal numbers by 1/10ths, 100ths, and 1,000ths. They all sound difficult, but don't worry because I will be showing you the short way to arrive at the correct answer. All you need to do is listen to me attentively. Are you ready? If so, then let's start! In this lesson, we will talk about how to divide decimal numbers by 1/10ths, how to divide decimal numbers by 100ths, how to divide decimal numbers by 1,000ths, and how to divide numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000. So let us have the first one. Dividing decimal numbers by 1/10ths. So I will be teaching you or I will be showing you the short way. All you need to do is to multiply the dividend by 10. So if you are asked to divide a decimal number by 1/10, this is what you're going to do. Let us have this example. 7.23 divided by 0.1, or 7 and 23 hundredths divided by 1/10. What are we going to do? All you need to do is multiply the dividend, which is 7 and 23 hundredths times 10. So, bring down a 0, and then 1 times 2 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 7 is 7. And then, count the number of decimal places. So, we have 1, 2. Of course, we're going to have 2 decimal places. So, there. The answer is 72 and 30 hundredths, or we read it as 72.30. Okay, let's have the next example. Divide decimal numbers by 100ths. The same. All you need to do is to multiply the dividend by 100. So let us have this example. 32.4 divided by 0.01, or 32 and 4/10 divided by 100ths. How are we going to do that? Let us multiply the dividend, which is 32.4 times 100. By the way, if we are going to, if you are multiplying numbers with zeros, all you need to do is to move the zeros there on the right. So that all you need to do is to bring it down. So, bring down 0, bring down 0, and then we multiply. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. Is that the final answer? Of course not, because we have a decimal point. Let us count. 1. So we have from there 1. Okay. So the answer of 32.4 divided by 0.01 is equal to 3,240. Okay. Let's have the third one. Dividing decimal numbers by 1,000ths. The same. We multiply the dividend by 1,000. Let's have this example. 16 and 75 hundredths divided by 1,000ths is equal to, multiply 16.75 times 1,000. The same. We don't need to align the zeros. So, write 0. How many zeros? 3. So, 1, 2, 3. Multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 6 is 6. And 1 times 1 is 1. The final step is to count the number of places. So, we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So, the decimal point is there. The final answer is 16,750. Let's have the last topic. Dividing numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000. What are we going to do? Let's have the first one. Divide numbers by 10. How are we going to do that? Let's have this example. 81.572, or 81 and 572 thousandths divided by 10. What are we going to do? All we need to do is copy the dividend. So 81572, 81572. And then we move the decimal point one place only to the left. Where is the decimal point? It is here. Why only one? Because we have only 1 0. So, the original place of the decimal point is in between 1 and 5. This time, we move it once only to the left. So, 8.1572 is the answer. Let's have another example. 7.281 divided by 10. What will it become? Copy again. 7,281, and then the original place of the decimal point is in between 7 and 2. How many places are we going to move the decimal point to the left? Once only. So, there. The answer is 0.7281, or 0.7281. Remember, if you divide numbers or decimal numbers by 10, all you need to do is to move the decimal point once only to the left. Why once only? Because we only have 1, 0. How about the second one? Divide numbers by 100. The same pattern. Let's have this example. 63,892 divided by 100. It is automatic that the decimal point of the dividend is after 2. So what will it become? You just copy 63,892 and then move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Why 2 places? Because we have 2 zeros there. We are moving by hundredths. So, there. Next example. 0.68 divided by 100. What will it become? Okay, first, copy 68. And then, let us move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So, that is 1. And then 2. So the final answer is 0.0068. Let's have the last one. Dividing numbers by 1,000. Let's have this example. 72.2 divided by 1,000. What will it become? First again, copy the dividend, 722. Only without the decimal point. And then, let us move the decimal point. How many places? 3 places because by thousands. Okay. 1. That is 2. And then 3. So, the answer is 0.0722 or 0.0722. Let's have another example. 0.94 or 94 hundredths divided by 1,000. First, again, let's write 94 and then move. Here is the original place of the decimal point. So, 1 and then 2 and 3. The final answer is 0.00094 is the answer. That's it for today, future mathematician. I hope you were able to follow the steps shown in the video and is a big help to you in answering your learning activity sheet easily. Until then, bye! Stay safe and God bless!